Hi, everybody. I know it's been a long time with no break, so good luck. So I'm going to talk about Stabl. Stabl issues stable tokens on Ethereum. So what does it mean? What are stable tokens? Stable tokens are crypto tokens on Ethereum that keeps a stable value. So a crypto token is an asset that is stored on a blockchain that you can transfer. It is on Ethereum. That means that its assets are not only transferable from users to users, but also from users to dApps. They keep a stable value. So our USD stable token is worth 1 USD at any time. Same thing for euro, yuan, etc. So who are interested in stable tokens? Traders and people with no access to bank services are interested into the crypto properties that we add to fiat. So you have tokenized fiat, and that makes fiat more powerful with low transfer fees, censorship resistance, instant transaction, no third party involved. And these two kind of people need liquidity and availability on exchanges. But there are another market for stable tokens. These are decentralized applications. And they are more interested into the fact that we make cryptocurrencies stable. So they want to use these stable tokens as currency in their smart contracts and hedge against the risk created by the ether price volatility. So this market needs something different. They need that these tokens are available on-chain, meaning that the smart contracts can buy them, withdraw these tokens, and transfer them. And they need that the mechanism needs to be decentralized on-chain with fallback mechanism. You don't want dApps to rely on your mechanics of your stable tokens. A lot of research is currently done about stable tokens, and we will soon, in the next few years, see a perfect stablecoin that is fully on-chain, decentralized, available on decentralized exchanges, so both by traders and dApps. But for now, Stabl focus on dApps. So let's take a look at the problem for dApps. Ether value are sometimes blocked for a long time in smart contracts. You can think about crowdfunding contracts, gaming, betting, prediction markets, deposit, escrow. That's the power of smart contracts. They can hold value and nobody can use them. So why it is a problem? Let's take a use case. Let's take an on-chain crowdfunding tool like Wi-Fi. Let's say that Alice wants to use this tool because it's global with low fees. She has access to people from all over the world, and she wants to crowdfund a $100 gift. At the creation time of the campaign, the Ether price is $10, so she would set a $10 goal. The company is successful, she has raised 10 Ether, but unfortunately, the Ether price went down, and she gets only back $50. So why it is a problem? You have two things. First, it's a currency risk. This is the most obvious thing. Alice has lost value. She should have got $100, but she has only $50. But there is something else. It's an inconsistent user experience. Users want to see value in their local currencies. They want simplicity. They don't care about blockchain, Ethereum, cryptocurrency, stable tokens. They just want to use a product that is better. So Stabl, we believe that dApps that are natively global services available everywhere should have control over their currency risk. And we provide a way for them to control which currency is blocked in their contracts. So we allow them to convert ETH into USD stablecoins into Euro stable tokens. So now let's take a look at a crowdfunding tool that integrates Stabl. User would be able to set a campaign in the currency of their choice. So Alice would create a $100 campaign, and no matter what the Ether price is, at the end, if the campaign is successful, she gets $100. And she never see, because the contract that correspond to this crowdfunding campaign store USD stable tokens. So she only see a value increase, never decrease. So now how it works, how a dApp that integrates stable works. Alice set a goal and the currency. So here, $100 goal. And by doing that, it creates a contract on Ethereum that will store USD stable tokens. So this contract is there. Whenever it receives value, it will automatically convert value into USD stable tokens. So whenever it receives Ether, it will convert that into USD stable tokens. So for instance, you have an American backer that has $10 off chain on his bank account. He would go on chain with a wallet and an exchange. He will transform his $10 into 1 Ether and send this 1 Ether into the smart contract. And the smart contract, as soon as it receives this Ether, will convert that, thanks to our API, into 10 USD stable tokens. What is interesting with that way is that you can also have a European backer that would use $35 from his bank account, that would transform that into Ether and then to USD stable tokens. Same thing with the Chinese backer. And so for the 90 days, the duration of the campaign, value has been stored in USD. And at the end, the contract withdraws these 10 USD stable tokens in Ether and is sent back to Alice. So now, what I think is really interesting in that is that senders have chosen their local currencies, and these local currencies have been converted into the currency that makes sense, here dollars, and the receiver gets back the currency he wants. Now the off-chain, on-chain parts. I'm talking about wallet plus exchange. We've seen at DEF CON more and more easy to use wallets. You can think about MetaMask, about Mist, about Uport. We have also seen that identity will be a thing soon in Ethereum. So you could store your financial identity on Ethereum, and that would give access and integration with exchanges. So you would be able to put your credit card into your MetaMask or Mist account and exchange dollars from it. Exchange dollars into Ether when you want it. Actually, it's already the case. On MetaMask, you can transform dollars into Ether in 1 minute. And so why I'm talking about that? Because if you have a tool, a browser like Chrome that has MetaMask, and MetaMask is integrated with an ID tool and with an exchange, and so a user can buy in one button Ether and send them into a smart contract, then you don't need anymore to talk about blockchain, about Ethereum, about cryptocurrencies, even about stable tokens. You would just show to your user a button, send $10 to this project, and it will send 10 USD stable tokens to the contract. Under the hood, it would go through Ether, but you don't need to tell that to your user. So before, you had to talk about Ether and explain blockchain, and with this framework, you could actually hide cryptocurrencies to dApps users. So that's what we're trying to build with our team. I'm part of ConsenSys, and these folks have been helping me a lot. And we have a team of 4 people really passionate about how to make dApps adopted. So I want to thank you, and you can go on our website and see the API. Thank you.